Mm. Uh,
Okay. Yeah. All right.
so should I just copy and paste?
Yes, you can copy and paste, but you have to hit enter twice, I think.
Are you
Okay,
sure?
once is fine. Once is fine.
Okay. So I was scared I was going to lose it.
No.
You just do it all yourself. Okay.
Does split lines have anything inside? I don't know why you put that thing inside though.
Oh no, I did that when I was confused. Okay, you too.
So you can think about split lines as if it's a split function, a split method rather, but it already has what it's looking for to use and split the what do you call it? To use and split the string in question.
Okay, so
So it already knows, okay, it's looking for new line. That's all.
yes, okay, I did it.
Let's see, hit enter, let's see.
Okay, wait. Let me just well, I don't think my center will. Um, what has happened?
Look at
Oh,
what
I
you
know.
did now. You
No, I know.
said for
I know.
line in line. You didn't use the one you did.
Yeah. Yeah, I just realized that for line in line.
No, no, that's not the one you should change. It's the one that is you called split lines on. That one you don't need to change that one. You can leave it like that.
Okay, I did it. It worked.
Mhm. Okay.
Okay, okay.
Now, I want you to do one more thing. I want you to use what do you call it? String slicing. The slicing method. You know the slicing method, right?
Yes, sir.
But this one you use positive slicing. I want you to separate just like you use split line here, right? But don't bother with the question marks. Just let the letters be on different lines the way they are in your code. You understand?
Eh? No.
Okay, let me explain. Can you see where you have lines with double S?
Yes.
You have this on one line. You have is an on another line. You have example of on another line, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Can you use string positive slicing to achieve the same thing as output? So you don't need a for loop now. Just use different print statements and achieve it.
Okay. Yeah, okay.
Use the one that has multiple lines. So I want you to see that there's a small difference with this one. You'll just notice it.
Okay.
So just type a print statement. Yes, you just do different print statements. That's all. You're not doing any follow this time.
Okay. Let's.
Is there a challenge?
Oh no, there isn't. Mm. Zero, zero, one, two, three.
It's colon, no, not comma.
Oh, I
Not
forgot, I forgot.
to change how it works.
Huh? What did you say, sorry?
I said, do you want to change how it works? It's colon, not comma.
Yes. Sure. Hmm? Oh, I made a mistake.
How many letters are in this?
Yes, I made a mistake.
Now, this is where the real challenge will start. For the next ones, let's see if you can achieve exactly the same thing for the remaining ones.
Yeah, five. Hmm. Okay, six. Wait, four in the wrong place. Five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10. I did it.
Okay, nice. That's good. So let's see. Go on to the next one. Let's see.
Okay. Eh, okay. Yeah. So 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22.
I know it was 22 or 21 that you meant to count. Please count it again.
21. Yeah, guy calculated wrong. Okay, so this is 22. 23, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 81, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. Yes. Yeah, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. No! But how is it 37?
So you now know. So go back and check whatever it was that you did. So make sure that multiple lines, you didn't do anything extra.
Oh, I probably did.
How many letters are in multiple lines? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13,
Yes.
14. 14
Yes.
plus 22 is 36,
This is
not
30.
37.
Okay, so 37 and 49. But let me see, 14.
Better confirm it before you hit enter.
Okay, okay. 30, 37, 38.
This thing is very easy. Just count how many letters are in the one you're looking for now is separated by, is it not?
Yeah, so.
So count how many letters are in separated by. Remember the spacing between separated and by. Then add it to 37. It's very
9,
simple.
10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14. So 37 at 14.
37 plus 14. What would that give you?
51.
Are you sure it's 14?
Oh, no, no, no. It's 13, 13.
No. Yeah, guessing. Are you sure
No,
about that?
yes, yes, I am.
Yeah.
Wait. Oh, I think my original answer was already correct. 37 or 49. Yeah. 50.
Are you sure about
Okay.
that 60?
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. You could have also left out the 60 and it will still work. You know, those ones that are either the
Oh, yes,
last
yes, yes, yeah. I
or at
remember
the
when we did
beginning. You
that.
can leave out like that beginning now, that this. If you had put lines and then you left out the 0 and just put colon 4, that still worked because it's at the beginning. Then at the ending, the one that's at the ending, if you had put 50 and left out 60, it would have still worked. So that's just the small advantage that they give you. Okay, good work.
Thank you, sir.
I don't want us to spend too much time. I would have said you should do negative slicing, but let's leave negative slicing for now. Okay, are you with your notebook?
No.
No, with your notebook. Can you go and get your notebook?
Okay, okay, I'm good. Okay.
Okay.
I'm back.
Okay. So today, I was thinking that we could move on to something different since we've spent a good amount of time on string. So not really something that is difficult. It's something I believe should be simple for you. And that's the while loop.
Mm.
So yeah, there's a while loop in Python too. And you see how
Is there also
similar.
a follow?
We've already seen the for loop now. That's this for loop we have
Oh,
been using is the
is
for
there a
loop.
do loop? Is there a do loop?
No, there's no do loop. Just
Oh,
for and while.
uh, and
Yeah.
if.
And if yes. If you know it's possible, a language, any programming language can, they usually call it reviews and the specification and all that. So
Mm,
who knows? In future, they might just decide that, well, I think we need a do loop. And then they will now add it to Python as a way to add some feature to the language.
uh,
Okay. So, all right. So we can use this same one, or maybe we should save this one. We
homework
should save this file
assignment.
and then use a new one. So save it, you can save it with the name of the homework. And of course, you can add string methods to end so that we know that it was a string method that was inside.
Homework 9 and
Yeah.
string methods. Okay, so you cancel this. Then go to
So you close the token.
okay. Wait, are you going to send me a note?
Yes.
Okay.
But let's start with maybe one practical then so that you have an idea of what the note is saying. Okay.
Uh,
So let's say that you want to just do a simple, very, very simple task of um, counting upwards from 1 to 10. Okay. So you
yes.
remember how we did it in JavaScript, right?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay. So in Python, to do that is very similar to, so if you remember in JavaScript, we will always start by initializing a variable. Do you remember?
Yes.
And initializing a variable, remember the word initial. Initial, if I ask you, Simeon, what are your initials? You will tell me S, which is for Simeon, and then A, which is for Ajayi. That's your father's name, your surname. Now, you will see that initial is first letter of your name, of each, your first name and your surname. So initial, something has to do with something about first. Initiative, first, it's like an idea that somebody first executed. So that's usually an initiative. So initiative, initialization, all of them seem to be pointing at what? First. So when I say initialize a variable, what I'm simply saying is give that variable its first value. So for instance now, so let's use a variable. Let's use a, and then initialize it to say 0. Or let's say initialize it to 1. Let's start from 1. So go ahead and initialize a to 1. Just create a variable. You know how to create variables in Python, yes. What's that end there? Okay. No, 1, it's not a string, integer. We want to count. You cannot count with string in any language, not just Python. Okay, so we're starting with 1. That's its first. You just initialize A to 1. Now, hit enter so that you go to the next line and where we will start the while loop. So the while loop, I'm sure you know by now, in Python, every loop or, all those statements that can contain other statements, there must be colon somewhere. So it will start with the keyword while. So go ahead and type while, W-H-I-L-E, all in lowercase. You will see that the color will change. That shows you that you're correct. No brackets, so don't go and make mistake and think you're in JavaScript. Don't put brackets. So put a space there, just one space. Okay. Then we're going to put what is called the condition. Remember, the condition is what controls the loop, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is the condition that will control our while loop or tell our while loop how long it should continue running, which in other words means the condition which can be true or false, that the while loop will constantly be checking to know, should I run again? Should I run again? If not, if it's false, no, I can't run again. But if it is true, yes, I can run again. So it has to be true all the time, as long as you want it to continue running. So let's pretend that we want to count from 1 to, say, 50. Okay, no, let's not use 50. 50 is too long. Let's just use 1 to 10. So what do you think the condition will be? Since I want to count from 1 to 10, what do you think the condition should be?
Uh, I should only go.
It should not exceed 10.
Yes, it should not go past 10. Hello?
Remember, it can be true or false.
Yes, sir. So, uh,
Okay, less than 10. What is less than 10? You didn't say anything. What should be on the left-hand side of your better? Can you space it out? Put spaces in between the A and the less than, and between the less than and 10.
huh? What did you say, sir?
Put a space between the A and the less than. Then another space between the less than and 10. Now, when you say it should not exceed 10, do you appreciate the fact that this, what you just did now, is going to stop at less than 10? 10 will not be included.
Yes, sir.
So what should you do to make 10 to be included?
Uh, so like this?
Exactly. Now, put a space there. No, you cannot put a space there. You can only put a space after the sign. As far as Python is concerned, that less than or equals to, they have to be together to be one operator. Did you get that?
Yes, sir.
You know, that's what also happened in JavaScript. Okay, so put a colon after your 10. Now, you know, anytime you put colon in Python, you are ready to hit enter. So go ahead and hit enter now. Did you see what happened? That same thing
Yes,
that
sir.
happens whenever you are in the for loop, it's
It's happening
indented,
again.
isn't it?
Yes.
No, don't hit enter again. No. Okay.
Oh, no,
All right.
yeah.
So now remember, when we were doing the while loop, if you remember, in JavaScript, whenever we're doing while loop, we'll tell it what should happen inside the while loop, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Then after that, remember your increment. Okay? Increment.
Increments. That's
Yes.
that.
But So you said what's that? Did you say what's
Yes,
that?
sir. Yeah, what's increments?
You forgot to again. Simeon, how many times will you forget this thing now? Increment just means increase, 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 increase. That it sounds like
Okay.
increment, increase. Hmm?
Uh,
That's
yes.
adding one, adding one. If you don't do that increment, it will never reach 10. It will always be one, 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 one. And that's what will give you what do you call that kind of
Error.
loop? Infinite loop. Hmm? It will give you, of course, that's
Yes.
an error. It will give you a runtime error. Okay, so what do we want to do? We just want to count, isn't it? And the best way to show what we're counting is to print it out. So go ahead and type a print statement. Okay. So what are we printing? We want to print, uh, so use that, let's keep on practicing so that you get used to it. Use that formatted print statement. You know, the one that has the F in it, yes.
Okay.
Okay, okay, so you just say A is, and then you now put A in your curly braces.
A is
Is, then the name of the variable. What's the name of your
mm,
variable now?
A.
A, Can you put a space between the is so that there will be space when it shows between the is and the first curly brace? Yes,
Yes, sir.
that's fine. Okay, so go to the end of that statement, of that line, sorry, and hit enter so that you can do the increment. Then we can
Okay.
now
Wait,
run
wait,
our
what do
loop.
you say, sir?
Hit enter now after that. So, hey, I didn't say you should
Uh,
hit enter and execute it. I said hit enter so that
yeah,
you can do the increment. See what is
I did.
happening now.
It was going forever.
Of course, now that's the error that we were talking about few minutes ago.
Oh,
It's not to 10 minutes that we just said it that there will be error. You can't use this one again. It's not possible. You have to close it and start again. Can't use it again.
yeah, I didn't even mean to. Didn't even mean to press double.
You have to be careful with Python. Anything, if you hit enter 2 times, it will take it that you are done with the loop, and that's it. You've forgotten your while, the name of the
Oh,
statement, while.
okay. Uh, so okay. So okay, sir.
Okay. And go ahead now, the print statement.
Print.
Formatted print statement.
Here. F A is okay, sir.
Now, please be careful now. Hit enter once after, yeah. Now, type your increment. Remember
Mhm.
how to increase A by 1 so that it can go to the next value of A.
What do you say, sir?
Increment. You are increasing A by 1 so that you go to the next value. A, not F. F, your variable is A, so you're increasing A by 1.
How do you, it's, okay.
How do you increase a variable by 1 now? So you're just adding 1 to it. A assignment operator, A plus 1.
Oh, A assignment operator, A plus 1.
Space out that
Okay.
A plus 1.
Sir?
Space it out.
Okay. Okay.
And you can hit enter and test your code. Let's see.
It worked. Yes. Our while loop worked.
You see the importance of that increment statement.
Yes, I do, sir.
So this is just it. The explanation is the same. No big deal. You start with A equal assignment operator 1. So that means that the first value of A is 1. It now sees the while loop. It checks while A is less than or equal to 10. Right now, A is 1. So it checks, is 1 less than or equal to 10? Yes, while A is not equal to 10, but 1, which is A, is less than 10. So it's going to go into the while loop. Remember, the while loop always checks the condition to know whether it should do what? Execute or not. So that question, is A less than or equal to 10? It will always check it. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
even including the first time. So 1 is less than 10. So it's going to print, as you've seen, A is 1. Okay. A is 1. Then after that, it will now say A assignment operator A plus 1. That is, so on the right-hand side, 1 plus 1 is what? 2. Okay. So the new value of A is now what? 2. So it will now go back to that condition. Remember, it will go back to the condition. Now A is 2. Is 2 less than or equal to 10? Yes, 2 is not equal to, but it is what? It's less than. So it's true. So it will go back into the for loop and then print A is what? 2. Remember, A is 2 now. Then it will now go to the next line and then say A plus 1, which is what? 2 plus 1 on the right-hand side. And 2 plus 1 is what?
3.
3. So A will now become 3. So that's exactly how it will do. A is 3. Do the same thing for A is 4, A is 5, A is 6, A is 7, A is 8. Now, when it gets to A is 9, same thing will happen. Now, for the final time, after it prints A is 10, it will still do that increment because it's already inside the while loop, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So it will now be what on the right-hand side? What will be on the right-hand side? Remember, A is 10 now. What will be on the right-hand side for the increment?
Huh? What do you mean, sir?
What will be on the right-hand side for the increment? We're on the next line now after the print statement. A is 10 now. We're assuming that A is 10 now. What will happen on the right-hand side of that increment?
The right side of the increments, it will be
Yes.
hmm? Wait, 1,
Eh?
1.
1.
Wait.
Did you hear me at all? I said A is 10 now. I now asked you what will happen on the right-hand side of the increment.
I keep forget. Wait, so please, what is the increment again? I keep forgetting.
I said the increment is that statement where you have A assignment operator A plus 1. Increment just means
Okay.
increase. The opposite is decrement, decrease, or subtraction. There's no big deal there. So what will happen
Sorry.
on that statement where you have the A assignment operator A plus 1, A being 10?
What happened on the right side?
Yes, now, what will happen on the right-hand side of that expression? There's a left-hand side. The left-hand side has A. On the right-hand side, you have A plus 1. What will happen on the right-hand side? That's what I'm asking.
I don't get your question, so
Have you been listening to me at all? Have you been listening to me as
yes,
I've been explaining?
I'm listening to
You
you.
are listening to me. So I'm just asking you, what will happen on the right-hand side of that expression? A is 10 now. So what will happen on the right-hand side of the expression?
This expression.
Yes.
There's nothing on the right hand side.
There's what?
But there's nothing on the right hand side.
Can you see that assignment operator there?
Yes.
Can you see that it has a left-hand side and a right-hand side?
Yes, sir.
So what is on the left-hand side?
The variable A,
Good. What is on the right-hand side?
A plus B,
A plus what?
A plus 1, sorry.
So what will happen on the right-hand side? We're assuming that A has turned to 10 now, and we have reached that statement. We want to see it. We want to execute it. What will happen on the right-hand side of that assignment operator?
It will start again.
To start again.
Yes, sir.
It will start again. What did I say is the value of A right now?
10.
So what is it that you don't understand that you're telling me to start again? What is on the right-hand side of that assignment operator?
A plus 1,
So 10 plus 1 is what?
11.
Is that not all I'm asking you? What will happen on the right-hand side? That's what you're supposed to say. 10 plus 1, 11.
So I didn't get your question, so.
That 11 will now become the value of A. But by the time it goes back to the top of the loop to check that, what do you call it? That condition, A is now 11. It will ask, is A less than or equal to 10?
Uh,
A
is
is 11. Is 11 less than or equal to 10?
is greater than 10.
Is greater. So that means that expression will become what?
Um,
It will become false. All this while it has been true. That's the reason why the while loop is executing. It has been
oh,
executing.
okay, okay.
Printing A is 1, A is 2, A is 3. All this while it has been printing. Even A is 10. 10 is not less than 10, but 10 is equal to 10. So the expression, the condition was still true as of that time. But immediately A became 11, it now checked the condition again. 11 is not less than 10. 11 is not equals to 10. So everything is what? False.
False. Okay, I get to know.
And that's how the while loop will end. If not, the while loop will continue. It will never end if the condition is always true.
Okay,
That's
sir.
what gives you an infinite loop.
Okay. Yes, sir.
I'm sending you this thing on WhatsApp. So the note on WhatsApp. Do you have any
Oh,
questions on the while loop?
no.
Is there any time limit on your usage of the phone now?
Just there's like 20 minutes left.
20 minutes left.
Yes,
Let me see.
but I can still write it today.
Can see write what today?
I can still write it
The
note
note.
today. Yeah.
I'm coming. I'm sending. Okay. I'll send it to you on WhatsApp. I hope the 20 minutes will be enough. So you say you
Mm,
don't have any question on the while loop, right?
yes, sir.
Okay. All right. I'll send you the note on WhatsApp. Please copy it and remember to put the date, indicate that it's today. We're talking about while loop, or we started talking about the while loop.
Okay.
All right. So we are meeting on Thursday, right?
Yes, sir.
We'll do we'll do 5 still. I think that should be convenient. You people are still on mid-term break or half-term break, isn't it?
Yeah, it's next week.
Next week when? Friday or when? Monday.
No, next Monday.
Okay. All right. Okay, then we'll see on Thursday.
Okay, bye,
Enjoy the
sir.
rest of your day or your evening.
Okay, bye, sir.
Okay, bye.